Gonna do this one with a beat. Look, can you hear that? This a freestyle tip. Yeah, real quick, I'ma spit it for you in the church parking lot. Man, when I park in the spot, yeah, that's it.
Whatever, Lamar.
You want to, let me see, let me find a beat. Let me find a good beat. Let me see, y'all tell me when to stop. This the LBC stuff, y'all know. It's the down south stuff. This is down south. Kales. That fiesta. With the hook on. Yeah.
Down.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. When I come through, you better sit down. Ain't no sitting down, cause I got you too hyped. You better stand up and put your hands up like a robbery. It ain't no stopping me. Yeah, we got the Saints walking up behind me like they trying to rob me. Man, I see you creeping on the come up, and when I see you gonna get done up like an afro at a barbershop. Yeah, at a barbershop. Barbershop.
Bye.